Today I'm going to show you how to make breads that look just like this. This is called a puri, and this was the perfect combination, this dry potato and pea sabji and these amazing puffed breads to have on a road trip. Somebody would just be rolling these up just like this in the back of the car, the bus, the van, and you would just down them like it was nothing because it's just that delicious. Let's take a look. So the magic is in here. There's some atta flour, some carom seeds or ajwain, and a bit of salt. And you have to be really quick. Once the dough has formed, then you have to start frying it fresh. The longer you hold it, the less are the chances that the puris will actually puff up. This dough needs to be tight. It shouldn't be too soft. So just carefully add water until you get just the right consistency. You can see here the final dough is kind of soft to easily break off a small portion, but it's not extremely soft and it's not dry either. Now take a small ball-sized portion, dip it in the hot ghee that's now smoking, and then roll it out with an even hand until it's nice and thin. You can't go too thin and you can't leave it too thick. Too thin, it won't puff up, and too thick, it'll absorb way too much oil. You'll be lucky to get it right the first time, but keep going. Now that goes right in that oil, and what I like to do is get a slotted spoon like this and just kind of slush around and rotate it right above that puri. And eventually, if the oil is right and you did the dough perfectly, this is the UFO or the puri that you're gonna see. Now keep in mind, the oil has to be smoking hot, otherwise the dough will absorb too much grease. And just like that, spooning some of that nice hot ghee not only adds an amazing amount of flavor, but it helps get some nice light puris. Believe it or not, each of these puris, and I weighed this, has only 3 grams of ghee or fat, which is pretty light if you don't have 10 of these. And frying the puris in ghee as opposed to any other type of oil is the best way to have the most flavorful and the healthiest puris. Try it out. Check out all the breads down below. Check out the potatoes down below as well. And I'll see you on the next one.